after me buy woman a tank, you know, cause you
The one and only king.
Dead, yeah.
This girl hold me down, put a knife on my neck. Say if me have
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now we have some amazing topics to get into today, such as, you know, we are talking about the YFL Rhythm and all of the artists that we're running. And on top of that, Beenie Man is still defending that he is the current king of the dancehall. All that and more on this week's social media countdown. So sit back, chillax, and enjoy.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, YFL Rhythm. Alright, Berry does know. So, you know, DJ Mac released the YFL Rhythm, and of course, it has just been, you know, consumed by social media. Like the rhythm sell, well, oh my god, did that just date me? Are people still saying sell off? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, so the WYFL Rhythm, the Way You Feel Like Rhythm, that of course, you know, skyrocketed with the hit song from Skipper.
Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire.
And since then, several other dancehall pioneers artists have been jumping on the rhythm, such as
As a little boy, I grew me used to love the badness. Every corner me go up and them say I did and this.
From Kingston, she does call me, say she want the Kingston. Me drink some roots, me never drink.
of course, Buju Banton.
put a knife on my neck. Say if me have a move, she make me take me last breath. That girl give me some wine, we no buckle yet. I the pussy in my life, I can never make me sweat. Me walk sweat, waist no neck.
No, one of my favorites on the rhythm is arguably the most careless song. And it is not from a legendary, you know, long time artist. It is from a TikToker who's also doing music by the name of Candy. Candy me feel of the hottest song on the rhythm right now.
Yo, me got the pink, the pretty platinum, nookie, tidy, ookie, lick a teeny, titty, tiny, pony, stingy, with the
So, Burritos, let me know, do you have a favorite song on the rhythm? Right now, I'm still going to say my favorite is Candy. And then I feel like after Buju dropped the music video for theme song, it's going to be my then favorite. So, let me know what's your favorite song in the comments down below. Number 9, Sigma 2026. Okay, Burritos know. So, of course, you know, the annual event, Sigma, Sagicor Sigma Run. This year, the focus was all about giving back to the western side of the island, the people who were affected by this disgusting hurricane called Melissa. So, of course, you know, I decided to, you know, forward there. And even though it never got according to plan, because I really just show up at the event and say, me go just give a strength and just to be there. So, I never really did a run for no time and these things. But it was very much fun. And I did a little bit of a vlog, so you can go and check it out here. And what I always like with Sigma is that this is the go-to place if you want to book up people that you have not seen in years. Once again, it's a good cause, and big up all of the persons who came on out and, you know, supported Sagicor and, you know, bettered their time from the previous years. Number 8, Beenie defends Burritos. Once again, this conversation, this ever-going debate on who is the king of the dancehall, it looked like it will never end in our lifetime. In a recent interview, Beenie Man was speaking to Anthony Miller, you know, Entertainment Report, and, you know, Anthony asked him about, you know, his whole title and if he's willing for relinquish it and just, you know, give it to Cartel and all of these things. And this is what Beenie Man said.
And you are the king of the dancehall.
Now in my mind, in your mind, who is your king?
I'm in media. I can't take sides.
They ask you a question, you ask me a question, me ask
But
you.
I can't take
All
sides.
right, blessings. All right, let me tell you.
And a little birdie tells me that if Anthony did really want to answer, it would not be Cartel. My mind tells me, say, if Anthony were to actually answer that question, he would say Beenie Man. That is what I believe.
So, what am I going to say?
But you got your crown at Reggae Sumfest back in the day. Last year,
Yeah, but in a 1 crown, me get Anthony Miller.
and multiple crowns. Last year,
multiple crowns.
Last year, Vybz Kartel got his crown. Does that make him?
Multiple crowns.
Does that make him the new king?
I don't know what is a new king from what is an old king.
Can you?
Yeah, man, you know, ultimately, I'm going to let Beenie Man have this. Beenie Man has earned it. Like, honestly, Beenie Man have whole heap of hit song. He has really raised the profile of what we expect of the king of the dancehall. And yes, Kartel is also a king in his own right. But Beenie Man, yeah man, just work with your title simultaneously.
Have many kings of
After a
dancehall.
50-year-old, there's no new king. Way I do. Stop it. Stop doing it, man. There's no. Let me tell you this. You see me is not King Yellow Man. I'm the king of the dancehall. My word, me make it, me build it. Me sing the song, welcome the king of the dancehall. I build it.
The one and only king.
And so, Burritos, let me know, are you tired of this conversation on who is the real king? Sound off below. Number 7, from one king to the next. So, Vybz Kartel recently posted a video to his social media that showed him having a meal around a very fancy table. Take a look. Yeah man, you look on the table there and you say expensive, luxurious, and a regular type of settings. His table was actually an aquarium. You understand? Like imagine you're able to just eat your food, so when you look down, you see all of the fish them and all of the little, the ocean there. It must be a very calming experience, and the fact that it was outdoors. Boy, I say them thank you for recording that, because I so like for fasting people also and see them have the good stuff them, the little things them when they can, get like fresh ideas. And because you got a cartel also, you're not gonna necessarily say a white fridge. Because it is Vybz Kartel, it is the world boss. It is the king of the dancehall. Don't cost me Beenie Man. But you understand what I'm trying to say? Like, me just like to see that way I see them type of luxury here and them something here. So see them, you see the next time you have the camera, just go more, just go further, like go through like him watch collection, cologne collection, like we, the people, want to fast and see the things them. So good job. Whosoever recorded it, if you see them, big up yourself. Yeah man. And Burritos, would you want to have a aquatic table like this? Sound off in the comments. Number 6, Jonathan Grant versus Arden. Burritos, boy, oh boy, I do not know what kind of guzo Jonathan Grant I carried this year, but they are going for everyone who is a seeded school. So let me just go tell you this now. Remember like a couple weeks ago, the whole social media did in our uproar after finding out that Jonathan Grant sent home Campion College in this year's staging of school challenge quiz in almost the opening round. Can you, Boxfoot, believe that?
Scores look to be Campion College on 8 points. Jonathan Grant appearing victorious on 29. We will double check.
But just a matter of weeks later, they are whopping back in again. And this time they have sent home another seeded school, Arden High. Take a look.
Have been checked and the result is final. Our winner is Jonathan Grant High. Congratulations to Jonathan Grant High and well played Arden High.
That is crazy. Like honestly, this is crazy. This is crazy. Do you understand the type of energy that Jonathan Grant have right now, the momentum, knowing that they are able to kick off some of these top seeded schools, like their confidence is on high.
Get them ready, show them what we do. Get them ready, show them what we do.
Represent how you represent how you represent how you represent.
And right now, at them, my money depend right now, because they move like them have a point to prove like something about there. They set out to be on a mission this year, and it's basically like them are sing with the primary school song name, anybody in the way, kick them down. So I do not know if KC in the competition still, well, KC didn't have some problem with school challenge quiz some years ago. Jago, whosoever else, Calabar might be a top seeded school, please to run for cover, because Jonathan Grant is here to stay. So, Burritos, let me know, do you think that Jonathan Grant is able to just carry this all the way to the finals? Sound off in the comments. Number 5, Son Valentine's. Barry does so. You know, say Valentine's Day was just the other day. Yeah, man, you know, love was in the air and all kind of things. And once again, I was just so happy to see that Jamaican people, despite all of the crosses we are going, them not really shy away from celebrating love. Because I was out on the streets, and may I tell you, the traffic they turn up. Everybody look like them did out on some sort of date. So big up Jamaica for that. Yay, yay, romance. Anyway, so number 5 goes out to this parent who posted a video that informed us all that her son take up fear things them, a fear yard for go and carry Valentine's Day gift to fit him teacher. Take a look.
This little boy up there, so with the bag there. Watch him come. Boy tell me say want Valentine's Day chocolate for give him teacher. Okay, boy go buy the Valentine's Day chocolate. I don't know what Teacher call me, the boy end up with my drawers in there, my perfume. Somebody want a little drawers, let me dirty drawers. Hey boy, put one drawers. One of me drawers out of me drawer. When me talk to him, let me talk to him, Mr. Jake, Mr. Pure, where you get that from? YouTube. Take off me dress, my perfume, put it in a box. Suppose I did one dress. Why color crutches not so right? Look at it, one new dress to blood.
Oh wow. Oh wow. No, honestly, this would kind of be a very adorable story. But when we find out, say, the woman picnic go take up her panty, take up her drawers, and carry go get the teacher. Oh my God. But you know the son, I guess his heart was in the right place. Me no know what kind of excitement him know about for know say him can go carry panty go get teacher. But I am going to just step out on faith and say his heart was in the right place. He wanted to give a very thoughtful gift. And so, mommy, just understand, like, you know, this can be a very fun story to share when him get older about that time him they carry a panty go give the teacher. But yeah, man, just laugh with it now and just be very mindful of how you left the things them in a film access. Because can you imagine if him they go take up your can you imagine if him did go take up your, you know, who Jack did there within a Titanic? Yeah, man, that I'll leave it at that. Oh, gosh.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Number 4. So, speaking from Valentine's love, this topic now, number 4 is all about Rosalie and Akeem on their Valentine's Day boat ride cruise and all sort of festivities. Now, Bereaders, you know, like, you know, there are many couples in the world right now. And you have the TJ and you have the Moya. But on the other end of the spectrum, there is a Rosalie and a handsome gunman / Akeem. And so, you know, a part of their celebration for social media, Akeem decided to carry out Rose on a little boat ride, a little yacht excursion. And, you know, of course, you know, him did go live, you know, for your subscriber thing. So you have to go pay for really get the exclusive access. And why? Take a look.
Alright guys, just a quick rule. When you get to wear your shoes, you have to take them off and we'll place them downstairs. So, alright? Smoking is allowed only on the outside of the boat. See? And then everything else on the inside. Alright? Look at the shoes on the yacht and when you come out again.
You want to go fuck out? You like it? You like that fuck out? Perform, Yeah! Babes, come here.
No.
You know, honestly, like, for what it is worth it, I do not care if it is real. I don't believe it is real. But the fact that they're able to go through this length and this effort for money and for social media attention, me have to respect the hustle. You cannot respect the hustle because if people are willing to pay and to give them just to watch them be lovey-dovey towards each other, fake it. Fake it all the way. As a matter of fact, if Akeem wants to get her pregnant right now, go ahead and do it because you know how the money you're going to turn up. Akeem, if you are watching, get Rosalie pregnant. Just think about that moment. Just think about Rosalie pregnant. Think about what that will do for social media. Come on, man. That would be a moment. Let me know. Are you here for the Valentine's Day love and romance between Akeem and Rosalie? Sound off in the comments. Number 3, British slides. Okay, burritos now. So I know I might be a little bit late with this topic that has to do with the British woman who came to Jamaica for a vacation and end up.
This is my daughter Saraya. She's now 22 years old. She went on holiday for a week with her friend to Jamaica back in October 2024. So this is the girls. This is Genevieve, Taraya's friend. They've been friends for about 8 years. She asked Taraya if she wanted to go to Jamaica for a week because her boyfriend was out there. I tried to encourage her not to go, you know, because she'd never been on holiday by herself. But she was turning 21, so there's only so much she's going to listen to her mum about.
Being coerced into carrying up some shoes for somebody's cousin. And when the two women them reach a airport, end up a find out, say the slippers, them, the slides, them, they actually have driver don't stop at all in it. And so they end up detained, staying at Jamaica. One of the ladies, them stayed at Jamaica now, and then she in a while she was being detained, she must go find love now and end up pregnant for one next man, and she's still stuck in Jamaica. And so her mother, our British mother, have to put out video to the public now and try to get help so she can get better lawyer and better protection for her daughter. And in the middle of all of that now, the other friend come out and do video for us say the mother have man at Jamaica and hashtag cow fat. And I am just tired of this story now, but boy, oh boy, it is a cautionary tale. Listen to your parents. And first of all, me still can't understand how the backsfoot somebody convince you for carry shoes from Jamaica. For give boy cousin where they are foreign. Boy, we did fully meet out to carry about the place, I carry a hotel, I carry for all kind of blue hole and excursion. All of a sudden, him never have money for go Zelle and WhatsApp, neighbor WhatsApp, cash app, the friend for go buy the shoes. You want to go buy shoes at Jamaica for go send people are foreign. Come on, man. Use your noodles. Use it. And this is why the people them are fall apart as a nation, you know, because we have stopped watching Blues Clues. That is when we fall apart, man. The minute the generation stop watch Blues Clues, we stop think. Because one thing the man used to teach me, remember the name again, Steve? You sit down in the thinking chair and you think. Yeah, man, from this, so the people them just start for fully dance now. So we need to get back to watching Blues Clues because, yeah, man, that is it. So burritos, let me know. You feel say you would have make a mistake if you had it like 21 and end up in a situation like that? Or you think you would have had better judgment? Who you think is wrong? You think the mother is also complicit? Sound off below. Number 2, Lodge denied. Okay, now, so you know the artist JC Lodge who sing hit songs such as Telephone Love. You know, oh God, Jesus Christ, this is so bad. Telephone Love. As I so feel in mind. Telephone Love. Now in my head of time. Yeah, man, JC Lodge. So while in a recent performance, she was doing her thing and interact with the crowd and she was feeling the groove, feeling the momentum and everything. And you know what artists always do when they reach the like a high day in them performance? Them go out into the audience now and want, you know, involve like an audience member. But when JC stepped off of the stage and tried to have one of those moments, it got Riddim right into her face. Not once, not twice, but about 3 times. Take a look. honestly, you know, so me I like JC Lodge, when I stop the show right there and just cuss out everybody in the audience now. Because what do you mean you have like one iconic reggae singer like that, a singer hits them, and she go out in the crowd now and just want to have one little playful moment with you. And you go say no, oh God man, you could go flap JC Lodge thing like that. Like, me just never like it, man. Come on. Not one man that they could have just interact with her. But JC, me understand the man he did it with him wife, but the wife looked like she was all game, but the man, maybe him just afraid, fool, shy. Him just, you know, some people don't really like the attention like that. So he did not jump in. But boy, one of the cameraman them, somebody could have come in and saved the moment. So JC, you say the next time you're doing a performance like this, go for the young person. You have to go have the little look. You have to look and know over tell the people them love video light and love attention. There is a look in at them face. Like when you walk, you can tell so them want to get the little drought. Them want the moment. If there was an influencer in the crowd, that is who you pick pan. Pick the popular people them were used to the limelight. Okay, JC, so you don't have another random moment, but big up yourself, man. Yeah, take care of Miss Telephone Love. And number one goes to Bust Up Water Tank. Wow, I had no idea that is what I was going to call it. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the man who decided to go and stab up the water tank that he had bought for a woman. Burritos, boy, oh boy. Where do I even begin? Let me just go tell you this. Jamaican men cannot handle you know, bond. Them cannot handle, you know, disagreements. Them can't handle anything that bruises their ego. Well, this gentleman now allegedly, he must have come home and find out, say him woman did I give him bond? And when he found that out right after him go buy and go set up the woman water tank in her backyard, he decided to just, you know, reclaim his time, reclaim his money, and did this. Take a look.
Boy, I can't even remember when me upset set up. After me buy woman a tank, you know, cause the woman have water problem in her place. And I say, yo, I go check it woman and I go woman yard. You know, I say woman have man lock up in her house, brother. All me I call it woman now come out. And me see her and the man in the place. What know that? Tell me true.
Oh wow. Listen, I don't agree with it. Me understand the emotions. Me can understand why the spirit of Bounty Killer would possess him and he would get cross, angry and miserable. It is understandable. Imagine you just go fork out your last red cent to go and give this woman, you know, NWC, water is life. Give her that. And when you come home, you find out someone next man was making her leak. That would have definitely made anybody aggravated. And so it is understandable. So him put out the video now and I said, why? Then me see another video. And then we go up on the page and I realize that this man posts up all kind of video, all posts up some TV, the mashup, and all kind of things. And then the little spirit of common sense came to me and I say, was this video AI? Was it doctored? Was it fake news? Was this just some way for this man to get attention? And what I am hearing out in the streets is that it definitely was. So it kind of make this a little bit sad because I was caught up in the whole storyline. So to find out that this might not be an actual valid, accurate state of events makes me somewhat sad. But me know some man out the road do things like this already. So burritos, let me know. Do you think that this is okay if, you know, somebody did give you something and then you end up, you know, mess up? You think it okay if they mash it up and take back what they had originally gave you? Sound off below. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. Hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe as usual. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow from Facebook, Instagram, X, Snapchat, all over. And to email me, shoot me a message to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care. Until next time. Ta-ta.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.